your Pixel 8a headphones aren't working. These can be Bluetooth or wired. So first thing, for Bluetooth headphones, we're going to start in the settings, and at the top we're going to select connected devices. Then we're going to go to pair new device. So the first solution I want you to try is, instead of pairing your Google headphones with the big box that shows up, and you'll see that box any second now, don't tap connect here, exit this one, and try tapping connect on the Bluetooth area or settings. So we're just going to tap the pair through here, and we're going to tap on pair. That's solution one. Solution two is we're going to head to the home page's settings, then scroll all the way down until you see system. Then scroll to the very bottom and select reset options. And we're going to reset our Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This will require you to re-log in to your Wi-Fi networks and repair your Bluetooth devices. Now, the third thing, and this also now includes physical earphones, if we just click the volume button here and then tap the triple dots, so I'll tap the triple dots, you need your media volume on. So if media volume is off, you need to swipe this across, first thing. Second thing, let's click the volume button again and turn the speakerphone. You need the speakerphone icon set, otherwise audio may not play. And finally, if it's wired headphones at full, your USB-C to headphone adapter may not support Pixel, so you'll have to research which adapters actually support the Pixel, then the headphones will start playing audio.